everyone, Meg here with IT Stamping, and today is another unpackaging video. So this is another kit. This is going to be from Crafty Stamp Co. And I have no idea what's on the inside, which makes this even better. I can hear something, but I don't know what it is. Alright, so we're going to take this and cut open our package. You're seeing it for the first time like I am. And we package everything so well. Take this, we'll pull it out of there, and wrapped in tissue paper, rip it open, and here we go. So we've got our inserts, and this is going to be the January 2026, it's crazy to say that, January 2026 Crafty Crew Kit. So let's dive into it and see all the goodness that this bag holds for us. So this is what I could hear, and we'll come back to that. But inside here, oh, I can see some pretty pink paper. All right, so we have this adorable stamp set, and this one is called Stitched with Love Meadow. Oh, this is a crafting one. Okay, so we've got our sewing machine, a cute little bag. I'm guessing off the top of my head, like folded fabric with a bow around it. Could be anything. Buttons. She's holding a cute little bear. So it says, thanks a stitch, and hope your day is stitched with joy and sprinkled with cake. How fun is that? Super, super cute. Love this little stamp set. All right, next up, we have more of like the kitty kitties, and this one is called Stitched Whiskers. So we have fun sentiments that say, okay, it's hard for me to read through the packaging with the lighting, so I'm going to open this one. It's a struggle to begin with for me to be able to see, but okay. So it says, you're one piece I couldn't quilt without. Oh, that's sweet. Our friendship is tighter than my quilting corners. So definitely more of like a quilting sewing theme. You keep me stitched together even when life unravels. That is adorable. So we've got our little kitties, we've got our pin cushions, more kitties, little buttons. So this, a little kitty holding the scissors, super, super cute. So this is definitely like stamps to send for, you know, let me try in English. Stamps that we would use to make cards for our crafty friends. That's what I was trying to say all at one time, like with one word. All right, let's dive into this pretty paper. It's called Lovely as a Rose. It's a 6x6. And open this up, and we've got our little folder for it. So double-sided, beautiful, beautiful flowers. On the back side, it's just going to be a solid, soft pink. Love this plaid. Look at that plaid. Oh my gosh. I'm a sucker for plaid. If y'all don't know that, I am a sucker for plaid and polka dots. So more of a rose pattern. Ooh, I like that blue, that contrast blue. Different rose pattern and a softer blue. This is kind of reminds me of that water lilies look. That's beautiful with butterflies on it and soft. I don't know if there's an actual... I mean, there is a pattern to it, but I don't know if it's an actual image or just some soft colors. Love the pretty stripes. Oh, and there's my polka dots. I mean, it's not straight up polka dots, but it's close enough. I'll take it. So beautiful, beautiful pattern paper. This is going to be so much fun to craft with. I can see that stencil, but I'm trying not to look. I'm focusing on putting the paper back in the package. So remember, with the Crafty Crew Kits, you have to either be a subscriber or you have to pre-order them, and I will put the date in the description below on when you have to pre-order them. So if it's past that date and you're not a subscriber already, you cannot get these. So let's look at this cutie stencil. I love this, super cute. This one is called Quilted. Go figure. Great little quilted pattern and all of that. So when you pre-order the kit, remember I said you have to pre-order it. You get everything I just shared with you here and this. If you're a subscriber, you get the little doohickey of that kit. So that's the bonus for being a subscriber. But remember, like, otherwise you're going to get these items, 2 stamp sets, a full package, 24 sheets of double-sided cardstock printed paper, a great fun stencil to go along with it, all in a cute little bag that you get to keep it in, and there we go. So I can't wait to craft with these products. I cannot wait to color. Oh my gosh, I'm ready to. Like, I wish I could clear the whole day and do nothing but color. But check the link in my description where you can sign up and get your Crafty Crew Kit. Again, I'm Meg from I Teach Stamping. Make sure you like and follow, subscribe, do all the things. That way you will see when I take these products and turn them into projects. All right, my friends, thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video.